The tobacco plant, a native of the Americas, has embarked on a fascinating journey across the globe. Its broad, verdant leaves, shimmering under the sun, hold within them the promise of pleasure and peril. From these lush fields, a complex process unfolds, transforming the humble tobacco leaf into a product enjoyed by millions worldwide. The journey begins with the planting of carefully selected seeds. Nurtured by the earth and tended by skilled hands, the plants flourish, their leaves unfurling like emerald flags. The air hums with anticipation as the harvest season approaches, a time of both celebration and labor. The method of harvesting varies depending on the type of tobacco and the scale of production. In many parts of the world, hand harvesting remains the preferred method. Skilled workers move through the fields, carefully selecting and plucking the mature leaves. Machine harvesting, while faster and more efficient, is often reserved for large-scale operations. These mechanical marvels can strip entire fields in a fraction of the time, but the delicate touch of human hands is lost. Once harvested, the tobacco leaves embark on a transformative journey known as curing. This crucial step, a delicate dance of time, temperature and humidity, is essential for developing the flavor and aroma of the final product. Curing methods vary, each imparting its unique characteristics to the leaves. The three primary methods of curing are air curing, flue curing and sun curing. Each method produces tobacco with distinct characteristics, influencing the final flavor and aroma of the product. Air curing, as its name suggests, relies on the natural flow of air to dry the tobacco leaves. This method has been used for centuries, passed down through generations of tobacco farmers who understand the delicate balance required to achieve the perfect cure. The leaves are hung in well-ventilated barns, where they gradually lose moisture over a period of weeks or even months. The barns are designed to allow just the right amount of air to circulate, ensuring that the leaves dry evenly and slowly. This extended drying period is crucial for developing the rich, complex flavors that air-cured tobacco is known for. This slow, gentle process allows the leaves to retain their natural sugars, resulting in a tobacco with a sweet, mellow flavor. As the leaves dry, they undergo a transformation, changing color and texture, which is a visual testament to the intricate process taking place. The sugars in the leaves caramelize, adding layers of sweetness and depth to the final product. Air-cured tobacco is often used in cigars and some pipe tobaccos, where its nuanced flavors and aromas are highly prized. The slow curing process allows the tobacco to develop a complexity that is sought after by connoisseurs. Each leaf tells a story of time and patience, contributing to the overall experience of smoking a fine cigar or pipe. The slow, natural process of air curing allows the leaves to develop a complexity and depth that is unmatched by other methods. This traditional technique not only preserves the natural characteristics of the tobacco, but also enhances them, creating a product that is rich in flavor and history. The art of air curing is a testament to the dedication and skill of the farmers who continue to uphold this time-honored practice. Section 5. Flue curing, a symphony of heat. In the world of tobacco curing, flue curing stands out as a method that marries tradition with efficiency. Flue curing, in contrast to the languid pace of air curing, employs heat to expedite the drying process. This method revolutionized the tobacco industry by significantly reducing the time required to prepare the leaves for market. The leaves are hung in tightly sealed barns equipped with flues or chimneys. These barns are designed to create an environment where temperature and humidity can be meticulously controlled. Heat is introduced, carefully controlled to prevent scorching, and the leaves dry rapidly, typically within a week. The process involves gradually increasing the temperature to ensure the leaves dry evenly and retain their quality. This method produces a tobacco with a light color and a mild, slightly smoky flavor. The controlled heat not only speeds up the drying process, but also influences the chemical composition of the leaves, enhancing their flavor profile. Flue-cured tobacco is the most common type used in cigarettes, as its rapid drying time and mild flavor make it suitable for mass production. The consistency in flavor and quality makes it a preferred choice for cigarette manufacturers around the world. The heat used in flue curing halts the enzymatic activity within the leaves, preserving the sugars and creating a consistent flavor profile. This preservation of sugars contributes to the mildness and slight sweetness of the tobacco, making it highly desirable for consumers. Over the years, flue curing has evolved with advancements in technology, allowing for even greater precision and efficiency. However, the essence of the process remains rooted in the careful balance of heat and time, a true symphony of heat that transforms green leaves into a product enjoyed by millions. From the fields to the curing bars and finally to the hands of consumers, flue curing plays a crucial role in the journey of tobacco. It is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of those who have perfected this art over generations. Section 6. Sun curing, nature's golden touch. Sun curing, as the name implies, relies on the sun's radiant energy to dry the tobacco leaves. This method, often employed in arid regions with ample sunshine, involves spreading the leaves out on racks or suspending them on ropes. The intense sunlight draws out moisture, concentrating the natural sugars and producing a tobacco with a rich, robust flavour. Sun-cured tobacco is often used in the production of strong cigarettes and some pipe tobaccos. The intense sunlight imparts a unique flavour profile, characterised by its boldness and intensity. Section 7. Sorting and grading, the pursuit of perfection. Once cured, the tobacco leaves are meticulously sorted and graded. This crucial step ensures that only the highest quality leaves make their way into the final product. Skilled workers, their eyes trained to spot imperfections, examine each leaf, separating them by size, colour and quality. The graded leaves are then bundled together, ready for the next stage of their journey, the manufacturing process, where they will be transformed into a wide array of tobacco products. Section 8. From leaf to luxury, the art of manufacturing. In this section, we delve into the intricate and fascinating journey of tobacco, from its raw leaf form to the luxurious final product that many enjoy. The process is a blend of tradition, precision and innovation, reflecting the rich history and modern advancements in the industry. The manufacturing process varies depending on the desired end product, but several key steps are common to most tobacco production. These steps ensure that the tobacco maintains its quality and flavour, providing a consistent experience for consumers. Each stage is meticulously monitored and controlled to meet stringent standards. The cured and graded leaves are first shredded, reducing them to fine strands. This shredding process is crucial as it prepares the tobacco for blending and further processing. The machinery used is designed to handle the delicate leaves with care, ensuring that the integrity of the tobacco is preserved. This shredded tobacco is then blended, carefully combining different varieties to achieve the desired flavour and aroma. Blending is an art in itself, requiring a deep understanding of the characteristics of each tobacco type. Expert blenders work to create a balanced and harmonious blend that meets the specific requirements of the product being made. The blended tobacco may undergo additional processing, such as flavouring or reconstituting, before it is ready to be transformed into its final form. Flavouring adds unique notes to the tobacco, enhancing its appeal, while reconstituting can improve the texture and burn quality. These processes are tailored to the end product, whether it be cigarettes, cigars, or other tobacco products. Cigarettes are made by rolling the blended tobacco in thin paper, while cigars are hand-rolled using whole leaves. The craftsmanship involved in hand-rolling cigars is particularly noteworthy, as it requires skill and precision to create a product that is both aesthetically pleasing and enjoyable to smoke. Each cigar is a testament to the dedication and expertise of the rollers, making it a true luxury item. Section 9. A cloud of responsibility, the tobacco industry's burden. The tobacco industry, despite its economic significance, operates under a cloud of controversy. The health risks associated with tobacco use are well documented, and the industry has faced intense scrutiny and regulation. Furthermore, tobacco farming and manufacturing can have significant environmental impacts, including deforestation, pesticide use, and water pollution. The industry has a responsibility to address these concerns, implementing sustainable farming practices, reducing its environmental footprint, and promoting responsible consumption. Section 10. From field to factory, a journey's end. The journey of tobacco from the emerald fields to the factory floor is a testament to human ingenuity and our complex relationship with the natural world. It is a journey fraught with challenges, from the ethical dilemmas surrounding tobacco use to the environmental impact of its production. As we move forward, it is imperative that we approach this ancient crop with a balance of appreciation for its cultural significance and a commitment to responsible stewardship.